are headphones. Let me see them. Peohzarr dynamic Crystalclea sound, and they have LED light. That's amazing. Are you excited to open and try them in your iPad? Come on, I'm waiting. Here we go. Open them. Do you like them?
Yeah. I have a charger.
Oh, we have a charger. Let me see. Oh my god. And this design is so cool. The red ones. And your brother has another pair of headphones, and we will see those in a later video, right? Let's try this with your iPad. Oh, now I understand why you choose the red color, because you have your iPad red, right?
Yeah.
Here is a manual Bluetooth Kids headphones LED light up. So in a minute we will see this manual, and we will connect these headphones with your iPad. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cool. So you can fold them.
I can never try those.
That's so cool. So these headphones are compatible with most devices. And also they are so cool. And something else is that they are adjustable and they are foldable, and they can move really easily, and the kids can use them very easily. We will see that. So these are now turned on, and look at, they are adjustable, and they can move really easily, so they can be perfect for every kid and for every kid head size. Let's see them. So we just connected them over Bluetooth. So let's put some music and tell me how they are. Put the YouTube. How do you hear them? Hello? Hey.
How do you hear them? What? I don't hear yet.
You can hear it. Is it cool?
Huh?
Oh my god, let me see. Oh, this light are so beautiful, Mine.
Look it.
Oh my god.
Look at the candy. Look at the candy.
So they can be connected over Bluetooth, or they can be connected with those cable. And here must be the charging one and the cable to connect them. But Mom loves to have them without cable, so it's perfect for him. Are you enjoying them? Hello.